We are also implementing in GeoE3 project OGC API Processes, but in my installation I only have this so-called hello world. So, but we can go through the logic behind here. So if you select hello world, it gives the most important information for processes, that what is required as an input and what will be an output. In this case, if I'm sending name Jari and then hello as a message, it would say send back to me hello Jari. So it's just concatenating text into one string and then returning it back. And of course we can see this as JSON as well. And if you are sending these requests, then we are using HTTP methods. So it's really a HTTP post to the service, and then it will return information back as required. So in GeoE3 we already have this extrude method available, in which we are creating from 2D buildings 3D LOD1 city JSON. So if you select or send to OGC API Processes in GeoE3 platform, you send your country and your building ID number, it will return back a 3D building as a city JSON object. And behind that, there is some calculation. So the 2D footprint, then it will calculate a terrain model and surface model, and based on the average height, then it will extrude the building to be 3D. It's not completely correct representation, but at least it shows a little bit of capabilities to create these kind of things on the fly. So that's already available in GeoE3 demo platform.